Hello. Good morning, students. Here I Upendra Kumar Sinha from Bhagavad Vidyapeeth, Department of Mathematics. Before to start, I want to say that, dear student, stay at home, be safe from COVID 2019. Today I am going to teach real number for class 10th. In this chapter, we will learn Euclid division lemma or Euclid division algorithm. First of all, Euclid. Euclid was the first Greek mathematician who initiated a new way of thinking, the study of geometry. He also contributed to the number theory. Among these is Euclid's lemma. Lemma. It is a proven statement which is used to prove other statement. अर्थात लेमा पहले से ही प्रूफ किया हुआ एक स्टेटमेंट है जिसका उपयोग हम लोग दूसरे स्टेटमेंट को प्रूफ करने के लिए करते हैं. Euclid's division lemma. Let a and b be any two positive integers. Then there exist unique integers q and r such that a equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than equal to 0 but less than b. Here we call a as dividend, b as divisor, q as quotient, r as remainder. That is, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Algorithm. It means a series of well-defined steps which provide a method for solving a certain type of problem. Euclid division lemma. It is a technique to compute the HCF of two given positive integers saying a and b with a is greater than b. Actually, Euclid division lemma and algorithm both are almost same. For some applications of Euclid's division lemma. Question. So that every positive even integer is of the form 2m and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2m plus 1 where m is some integer. यहाँ पर हम लोगों को शो करना है कि जितने भी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स होते हैं वो उनमें से इवन पॉजिटिव इंटीजर जो होगा वो 2m के फॉर्म में होगा और पॉजिटिव ऑड इंटीजर जो होंगे वो 2m प्लस 1 के फॉर्म में होंगे. नाउ एक्सप्लेनेशन. लेट n be any positive integer. On dividing n by 2, let m be the quotient and r be the remainder. Then by Euclid division lemma we say n equal to 2m plus r where r is greater than equal to 0 but less than 2. Therefore n equal to 2m if r equal to 0 or n equal to 2m plus 1 if r equal to 1. Case 1. When n equal to 2m, in this case n is clearly even. Case 2. When n equal to 2m plus 1, in this case n is clearly odd. We know that every positive integer is either even or odd. Hence, every positive even integer is of the form 2m and every positive odd integer is of the form 2m plus 1 for some integer m. Now, another question. As for example, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Explanation. Let n be a positive integer. On dividing n by 3, let Q be the quotient and R be the remainder. Then by Euclid's division lemma, we have n equal to 3q plus r, where r is greater than equal to 0 but less than 3. By squaring both sides, we get n square is equal to 9q square plus 6qr plus r square. Case 1. When r equal to 0, then n square is equal to 9q square is equal to 3 into 3q square is equal to 3m, where m equal to 3q square is an integer. यहाँ पर हम लोग 3q स्क्वायर को m मान लिए हैं. ओके. In case 2, when r is equal to 1, then n square is equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1 equal to 3 को हम लोग कॉमन लेते हैं यहाँ पर 9q स्क्वायर एंड 6q में से, तो 3 इन ब्रैकेट 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 2q प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 3m प्लस 1, वेयर m इक्वल टू 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 2q इज एन इंटीजर. यहाँ भी हम लोग 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 2q को m सपोज कर लिए. ठीक है. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. केस 3, व्हेन r इक्वल टू 3, देन n स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 9q स्क्वायर प्लस 12q प्लस 4 इक्वल टू 9q स्क्वायर प्लस 12q प्लस 3 प्लस 1. यहाँ पर 4 को हम लोग 3 प्लस 1 लिखे हैं. अब 9q स्क्वायर प्लस 12q प्लस 3 में से हम लोग 3 को कॉमन लेते हैं, तो होता है 3 इन ब्रैकेट 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 4q प्लस 1 प्लस 1. अगेन 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 4q प्लस 1 को हम लोग m सपोज करते हैं, तो 3m प्लस 1, वेयर m इक्वल टू 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 4q प्लस 1 इज एन इंटीजर. हेंस द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज ऑफ द फॉर्म 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Now in exercise 1.1, the first exercise is 1.1, and in this chapter, this exercise, the first question is we have to find HCF by using division algorithm, Euclid's division algorithm. The first question is, first 135 and 225. We use here division method to find HCF. In this, we can write it in stepwise. In first step, 225 is equal to 1 into 135 plus 90. In step 2, 135 is equal to 1 into 90 plus 45. In step 3, 90 is equal to 2 into 45 plus 0. In step 3, since in step 3 remainder is 0, therefore HCF of 135 and 225 equal to 45. Now question number 2 you can solve by the given example. Question number 3 says that an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Here, since we have to find the maximum number of column, so find the HCF of the given number. That's clear. Question number 4 you can also solve by the given example. 5 is also. So you can try to complete the exercise 1.1 Have a nice day.